Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problems with iMessage. So if you see on your iPhone and iMessage activation error, so how you can also fix it. So let's go to the settings. Just open the settings. In the settings you need to find general. Sorry, not general, but messages. Just tap on it. So after, you just need to turn off your iMessage and turn it on again. So just try to reconnect it. So also after, you can try to restore phone. So just go back and just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simply restore phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel if you like, and bye.